So hello Computer Science 7. Today you'll be completing your Flipgrid intro and learning a little bit about computer history. So for our do now, please log in to your laptop and complete typing test number 26 at freetypinggame.net. Record your score under Tuesday, September 22nd in your typing test document. So by now, you should have completed your Flipgrid intro organizer. You're going to use this organizer to introduce yourself in 30 to 45 seconds. I know the assignment says 90 seconds, but it's kind of hard to take up the whole 90 seconds. If you can do that, great, but I'm only requiring 30 to 45 seconds. So you need to go to flipgrid.com and create your intro video. So you'll need to use the login instructions that I gave you and record your video. Once you're done, you need to look at the videos of your peers and make 2 positive comments on 2 of your peers' videos. When you're making a comment, it is a video comment. To record your video, you're going to go to flipgrid.com and you should come to a screen that looks like this. In the top center, you're going to enter our class join code, which is CS246, and hit this little arrow. Then you'll be in our welcome intro assignment. So the instructions to your assignment are right here. Fill out your organizer. You need to use your organizer as a talking point. Then click on record a response to introduce yourself in 90 seconds. As I said before, it can be 30 to 45 seconds. Be sure you include all the information from your organizer. Feel free to add more if you want to, but make sure everything on the organizer is in your introduction. And then when you're finished, comment on 2 of your peers' intros. So in order for you to record a response, well, first of all, we can see the responses of your classmates here. But when you're ready, you just hit record a response. You go ahead and record your introduction. You do have the option to start over. It'll let you erase what you've done, delete what you've done, and try again. Once you're satisfied with what you've recorded, it'll come to a screen that has a little camera icon, and you'll need to take a selfie and then submit your video. So make sure when you're done, make sure you see your video here, because if you don't see your video, you may have skipped one of the steps. So make sure your video is here. Once you're done with your response, then you're going to choose 2 of your peers and add a positive comment. Now for the positive comments, I'm not really requiring much because I know this probably isn't an easy thing to do, but something positive and that it relates to their video, whether you're just telling them you liked what they said or asking them a question, whatever it is. So for example, I am in a student's, I just watched one of your classmates' videos and I want to add a comment to it. So I would hit this add a comment, and yes, it is another recording. The comments are recordings as well. Once you've completed your Flipgrid introduction and you've commented positively on 2 of your peers' videos, you're going to move on to our BrainPop video about computer history. So view that video and then take the BrainPop quiz, and you're done for today. Remember, if you ever have any questions for me, you may send me an email at nrutherford@stanfordcs.org. Have a great day.